Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer matching set, and I've got the washer hooked up and running. Got a little touch up to do on it still, but I wanted to show you that it is running perfectly. You can see that agitator doing a real good job with the agitation. Nice full of water. I'm gonna let it move through its cycle here. I've got it on heavy duty. This is a Super Capacity Plus, so it's one of the biggest they made in this particular series here. Holds a lot of clothes. So I will also show you that it drains, spins out, sounds great while it's spinning, spins nice and fast, and that the lid switch works. So we'll come back. Alright, it's moved through the washing portion over to rinse so you can hear. Draining out that water nice and strong, just like it's supposed to. Okay, now we're on to the spin cycle. We're spinning full speed. You see it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. We'll go ahead and lift up this lid. That'll shut it down because of the safety lid switch, but that way you can see it is in fact spinning nice and fast. There it goes, puts the brake on. I'll let it go ahead and finish up these clothes. Then we're going to move these clothes over to the dryer and let you get a listen to the dryer, and I'll show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. And there again, the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, everything gets checked. That way you know when you spend your money on it, take it home, plug it in, it's going to work as it should. Alright guys, now we've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Go ahead and close that up. We'll just hit this on time dry, high heat. Here you go. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got my surface temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface measurement. 72 degrees on top of the dryer. It's also about 72 at the floor here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot it right inside the heating element tube. It's heating up. You can see there's plenty of heat coming in there. And the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have this heat setting at up here. And you can switch this down for delicates if you don't want too much heat, or up high for jeans, towels, that type of thing. Oop, let's close that door. There's also auto sensing over here, so you can just stick this on auto and walk away from it and it'll do its thing and stop when the clothes are dry. So that's going to be it on these guys. I'll get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.